Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update software on your Bang&Olufsen A1 second generation speaker. At first, in the Bang&Olufsen application you have to select your speaker. Next, tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and go for the product settings. Right now all you have to do, just simply tap on the software update. As you can see in my case, that's the information that I'm up to date, and below the name of our speaker we can find the exact number of the update. If the update will be available, this button will be able to tap. So in my case it's gray out, so I'm unable, but if it is available you will be able to simply click on it and the update will go automatically. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.